Welcome to Tech Gear, where we'll take a journey through the world of technology and see how the most advanced machines and tools work, which are amazingly efficient and precise. But before we get started, be sure to check out how nice it feels to hit the subscribe button and bell. Okay, let's dive in. This machine is extremely unusual, but definitely efficient at forging parts. Just take a look at this circuit board printing machine at work. It's amazingly accurate. The precision of this laser marking machine is so perfect that it's sure to surprise you. Now, try not to get sucked in by the angle grinder manufacturing process. Isn't it riveting? With this fabric cutting tool, an entire batch of clothes will be ready in just a day. Never thought that watching a metal hoop bending machine in action could be so relaxing. Isn't this tape making machine hypnotizing? Wow! I can't imagine the number of biscuits and cakes these complex lines must produce. Just sit back and enjoy watching this roller using its asphalt cutter. Somebody please stop me from watching this carving tool video. It's just too amazing. After seeing this machine, you'll never wonder why polypropylene belts are so tough. Watching this slicer folding system is a treat. You're going to love this cream blush production. Get ready to see something really satisfying. This machine is wrapping better than all of Santa's elves combined. This harvesting tool makes farming look so easy. There's no way forging red-hot metal can really be this satisfying. I bet your grandma would love this circular sock knitting machine. This automatic continuous flatbread making machine will be your new best helper in the kitchen. Leave everything behind as you enjoy the result of this polyurethane production machine. Check out this machine shaping red-hot metal like it's nothing. Painting an entire car body has never been easier with this amazing machinery. What do you think of automated brick manufacturing? Pretty impressive, right? This device knows the perfect way to crack an egg. How do you like this coil creation? Pretty cool, right? Behind the enjoyable light of a light bulb, there is an even more enjoyable process of producing it. Have a seat because you're about to see the complete creation of a wooden chair, and it's really awesome. Oh, this machine is literally made for a dream job. Witness the mesmerizing process of cleaning a coin with a laser. Here's how easily this amazing tool clears the start from a 4M log. This process holds my attention as securely as this stretch hooting system packs pallets. Let's be clear, brush manufacturing is fascinating. Eyeglass lenses help people see better, but seeing them produced will help your eyes relax. Now, that's what I call perfect shaping. I feel like I'd be coming to work 3 hours early just to get a longer look at that milling machine in action. Get ready to enjoy the sight of candy making. How sweet it looks. How about harvesting an entire field of corn in a couple of moments with this cool machine? Imagine how much time you can save with this automatic cooking device. I had no idea how satisfying the creation of this metal roofing would be to watch. It's amazing how easily this machine dices even the most frozen meat, and this stringing machine does wonders with meats of all sizes. I swear this machine turns a cement leveling job into a vacation. Hey, French fries lovers! I found the best device in the world for us. It is simply impossible to tear yourself away from this mesmerizing process. Did you know that insulation tubing is made with a high-powered press in the blink of an eye? This machine makes a dozen new nails. Fair warning. After watching this video, you will want to work in a lollipop factory. Geez, this cutting device can handle even the toughest piece of iron. Let's appreciate this robot's field marking ability because it's so perfect. Now, look at how smooth automated manufacturing can be. Finally, I found the perfect food conveyor belt for snack time. If you thought clearing land was the hardest job on earth, then you haven't seen a piece of equipment like the rotary rake brush before. Fun fact. Watching cardboard box production is highly addictive. You will be extremely surprised by the power of this wood planer. Yeah, I told you. If you've ever had trouble with peeling fruit, this video is a must-watch. Turns out the wrapping job can be a pleasure. This machine doesn't ask how big the log is, it just takes it and cuts it down to size. What's the secret to making the strongest steel pipe? Only this sealing machine knows the answer. And this is a pure pleasure. This is how easy and fast a bottle painter works. For a saw like this, anything can be cut like butter. This is what a molten metal refinery looks like, and it's literally fire. Witness how the most amazing champagne bottle is created on a 3D printer. By the way, it's 1.7 meters tall. I'm pretty sure this is the best gift ever for noodle lovers. While we're waiting for Friday, let's take a peek behind the scenes of beer being poured into cans. Wow, these steel cutting machines never cease to amaze me. Watching a resin doming machine in action is pure satisfaction. I bet you won't be questioning the price of electric motors after seeing this difficult manufacturing process. Turns out the process of creating reinforcement cages is way more complicated than you would imagine. And here's the journey that instant noodles go through before becoming your dinner. Marvel at this red-hot metal forming machinery. Look at that. Would you have ever thought this masterpiece was created by an embroidery machine? Be prepared for some really satisfying moments. Discover this winding machine that passes kilometers of cables through in just 1 hour. See how an automated production line creates your cutlery. Now you know. I like how this machine makes cooking look easy. In the future, every bakery will have automatic production lines like this. Welcome to the factory where machines recycle used aluminum cans and produce brand new cans. After an engine overhaul, you need a perfect cylinder block treatment, and this tool gets the job done. Chocolate creation is an art form. Let me prove it to you. You might be surprised, but behind simple plastic cups is a huge and heavy manufacturing operation. Even the worst blizzard is no problem for this snowplow train as it clears everything in its path. Time to enjoy the most healthy juice made by this two-stage juicer. And this is a high-speed bread system. It's fully automated and can produce up to 13,500 loaves per hour. If you think nothing is perfect, then you haven't seen the work of this multi-angle slicer yet. This unbelievable machinery can produce 200 kilograms in just 1 hour. Here's soap on its way to give you a good scrub. The power of this machine is enough to turn a tree into a stick. Take a look at the impressive work of the expanded metal production machine because it's worth it. Isn't it crazy how well coordinated all the mechanisms are on this automatic bottling line? It's time to visit a modern chicken farm where all these machines help keep over 60,000 chickens healthy and happy. Admit it, you want to dip your hands in that paint too. You've never seen metal forging like this before. These pasta machines have me under their spell. This amazing machine cuts and shapes foam into perfect cones with remarkable precision. Wow, and that's where our video comes to an end. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell us which machine impressed you the most, and click those satisfying like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh,